Hey guys, what's up? So, in this session, we will try to understand the difference between post, pre, increment, and decrement. Okay, so suppose I am having int a equals 1. So, if I write a equals a plus 1, the value of a will be incremented by 1. We have seen this in flowchart and pseudocode. So, the value of a will be incremented to 1. Okay. Now, instead of writing a equals a plus 1, I can also write a plus plus. They both are same, okay? They both are same. So, let's see. So, let's name it post and pre. Post pre. So, suppose I am having int a equals 1. So, a is a variable and the value of that variable is initialized to 1. Now, I am writing increment the value of a by 1. Okay. And now I am printing the value of a. So what should be my output? Output should be 2. So 2 is getting printed, no doubt. Okay. So this is called post increment. It is just incrementing the value of a by 1. Now let's comment it out. Now I am keeping everything same pre-increment. So instead of writing a plus plus, what I'm gonna do is I will write plus plus a. Okay, so this is the only change. Here it was a plus plus, now it is plus plus a. So what should be my output? So the output is again 2. Okay, so the output is again 2. So when I was writing a plus plus, then also the value of a was 2. And when I am writing plus plus a, then also the value of a becomes 2. I am calling it post increment and I am calling it pre increment. And the output is same. So why there are two different names? So there must be some difference. Okay, so there must be some difference between a plus plus and plus plus a. And in this video, we will try to understand what is the difference. Okay, so let's see. So also comment it out. Now let's see what is the difference. So I am taking two variables a and x. So suppose the value of a is 1. Okay, so the value of a is 1. Now I am writing x equals a plus plus. And now we will print the value of x and a. So cout x, end line, cout a, end line. Okay, so what will be my output? Let's see. So the value of x is 1 and the value of a is 2. Let's see why is it so. So initially the value of a is 1 and I am writing x equals a plus plus. So what is happening here? So what is happening here? This thing is called post increment. So in post increment, what will happen? First, I will assign the value of a, and then I will increment the value of a. Okay, so when you are writing x equals a plus plus, first the value of a is assigned to x, and then the value of a is incremented. That's why it is called post increment. Post increment means first assign, then increment. And that is the reason the value of x equals a plus plus. So first the value of a is 1. Since the a is assigned to x, that's why the value of x will become 1, and then the value of a will be incremented, so the value of a will become 2. Okay, so that's why here my output was 1, and in this line my output was 2. Now let's see what will happen in case of pre-increment. So Control C, Control V. Instead of writing a plus plus, what I will do, I will write plus plus a. And let's comment it out. So let's see. Here you can see the value of x is 2 and the value of a is also 2. In previous case, the value of x was 1. Now what is happening here? So x equals plus plus a. It is called pre-increment. Plus plus a is called pre-increment. It will do the opposite. First it will increment, then assign. Okay, so this statement will be evaluated first. First the value of a will be incremented, and then the value of a will be assigned. So first a will become 2, and then x equals a, which is 2. That is the reason here my output is 2 and 2. So I hope the difference between post and pre-increment is clear. Okay, so pre-increment means first you do increment and then you do the assignment. And in case of post increment, first you assign and then you increment. Okay, so first you will assign and then you will do the increment. But in this case, first you will do the increment and then you will assign. Okay, so the difference between post and pre-increment is clear. Now the same thing happens with post and pre-decrement as well. So I am copying this part, Control C, Control V. So here the value of a is 1. Now in case of, now I am decrementing it. Okay, so a minus minus. A minus minus means decrease the value of a by 1. A equals a plus 1 and a plus plus. They both are same. Similarly, a equals a minus 1 and a minus minus. They both are also same. Okay. So it is pre-decrement. Sorry, it is post decrement. Post decrement. So the value of a is 1. Now the value of a is decremented by 1. So the new value of a will become 0. And then you are printing 0. In this case also. So first let's run this part. So my output is coming out to be 0 as expected. Now let's comment out this part and we will run this part. So the only change that I am gonna do is minus minus a. Here it was a minus minus, now it is minus minus a, and it is pre-decrement. Okay, so what will happen? The value of a is 1, the value of a will be decremented. Now the new value of a will become 0, and 0 is getting printed. Okay, 0. So when I was writing a minus minus, then also my output was 0, and when I am writing minus minus a, then also my output is 0. But I am calling it as post decrement and I am calling it as pre decrement. So there should be some difference, and the difference is same as we saw in a plus plus and plus plus a. Okay, so let's see. Now we'll copy this part. Control C. Now a equals 1, what I will do, I will write a minus minus. Okay, so let's run it. So the value of x is 1 and the value of a is 0 as expected. So initially the value of a is 1, and then you are writing x equals a minus minus, which is post decrement. Post means first you will assign the value. Now the value of x equals 1, and then you will decrease the value. So the value of a is 0. You can see here the value of x is 1 and the value of a is 0. So this was post decrement. Okay, so this was post decrement. Now let's see pre decrement. So instead of writing plus plus a, minus minus a. So here it was a minus minus, here it is minus minus a. So the value of x and a both are 0. Why? Because it is pre-decrement. So initially the value of a is 1, then x equals minus minus a. So since it is pre-decrement, first I will decrease. So the value of a becomes 0, and then I will assign. Hence x is also 0, and that's why both are 0. Okay, so this was pre-decrement. So I hope the picture is clear. So I hope now you know the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a minus minus and minus minus a. They both are increasing the value by 1, and they both are decreasing the value. They both are decreasing the value by 1. This is post, this is pre. Similarly, this is post, this is pre. Post means first you assign and then you increment or decrease. Pre means first you increase or decrease and then you assign. Okay, so this is the basic difference between post and pre. Thank you.